Hi everyone, welcome back to the Macrame knot series. We're going to be going over 3 different ways to make the Josephine knot. The first way, we're going to use only a single strand of cord, and the Josephine knot will be facing vertically onto the side, and then the other 2 ways, we're going to make a horizontal Josephine knot using 2 cords and then 4 cords after that. The Josephine knot is a vintage decorative knot, and you can use it in a variety of macrame projects like wall hangings and plant hangers. It is a fun decorative knot, so I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. We're going to start off by making the left-facing vertical Josephine knot using only 1 strand of cord. So taking that strand of cord, we're going to fold it over and make a loop. Then fold it over again to make a second loop, forming kind of a pretzel shape. Take that same end and weave it underneath the top cord. And then we're going to take that end and we're going to weave it through that first loop on the right, through to the middle and up, and then back over on the left loop and downwards. Pull on the cord to tighten the knot. And there we have the left-facing vertical Josephine knot. Next, I will show you how to make the horizontal Josephine knot using 2 strands of cord. We're going to start off with the left cord and we're going to make a loop over the right cord. We're now going to take that right cord end and place it on top of the left cord, and we're going to take that right cord end, weave it through the top hole. Then we're going to take that same end and we're going to weave it through that right loop in the middle first, top down, and then back through that other side, bottom up. Then we're going to pull on both cord ends to tighten the knot. And here we have the horizontal Josephine knot. Lastly, we're going to repeat what we just did for the horizontal Josephine knot, but this time we're going to use 2 cords as 1. This Josephine knot will be twice the size of the one that we had just made, since we are using 2 cords instead of 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this knot series. If there's any knots that you guys are interested in learning how to tie them in different ways, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.